Today's the day we finally get to put eyes on that gray Acty truck that everyone's been going nuts about. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Can we go already?
Yo, chill out.
I'm excited.
Your socks ain't even level. Look at you. You're not even ready.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay.
Got the key?
Moment of truth. Ooh, it's raining. Dang, look at that spider web.
Where?
Yo.
Stop.
Okay.
Alright.
Moment of truth. Man, this thing is dope. What do we got? You know what? I love Japan. This is the only place you could leave stuff like this and no one's gonna take it. Already inside? Okay. So they left us the steering wheel. Dang, this is dope. AC. Okay. All right. Get up in there. Turn it on. Oh, they painted everything. Even that's painted. They painted everything. What?
My headset. Smoking.
This is even nicer. Oh, nice. Put the AC on. Tell me if it gets cold. They didn't do the door jams. Door jams are still white.
Pretty risky.
Let's give it a minute. I wonder what it's lowered on. Oh, they painted the exhaust. Okay. What? It's cold?
Yeah.
Dang, girl. Let it warm up some more. Hop out. Put the window down a little bit. What was that? Whoa. Alright. It's got that cool lit. Turn the lights on. Thought they would have put some HIDs in there, but it's alright. Whoa! Whoa! It looks good. It looks good. Come on, Minnie, let's walk around it.
Okay.
Do your thing.
Okay. That's it then.
Oh my God. So it's got one dent here and one dent there. Okay. Okay. So it's got another dent here. All right.
Just a few scrapes in the back.
It's a 25-year-old truck.
You said do my thing, and I'm doing my thing.
Yeah, you're pointing out all the negative stuff. It's got these cool wheels. It's
Are they wheels or are they rims?
That's the same thing.
No.
Yeah, wheels and rims are the same thing. If this works, I'll be impressed. Yo, what up? What else we got? It's gonna need a seat. Oh, yeah, seat covers, that'll work. Yeah. See, the ninja is everywhere. Look at this guy. Doesn't have a mirror? Where?
With the flappy, the visor thing.
Bro, it's from 1990 whatever. Of course it's not gonna have a mirror in the visor.
You're telling me people.
You know what? You're fired. Get out of here. Can you unlock this door?
Oh, I like this steering wheel.
The steering wheel is pretty dope.
It's pretty slick.
Oh, we got some holes there. Something was there. Man, this AC is frosting.
Yeah, can I set it off now?
Yeah. Okay. So this is actually primer. This is not paint. This is primer. Well, it's primer, so it's ready for paint. That's for sure.
Look,
What?
put an extra.
Ship? They got 2 ship now?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to take all this stuff out because we can't ship it with this. We can't ship it with all this stuff in there.
Dad, you should get one of
Yeah, I'll let you buy it. Yeah. Comes with a okay, thank you. Comes with a battery case, battery cover. That's cool. Looks good, man. I mean, not as good as you, girl, but it looks good.
these. If I were to rate it out of 10.
Okay, so wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
This truck is different from all the other trucks.
Why?
Because this truck is aftermarket. So it's got wheels, it's got suspension, it's got steering wheel, it's got lip, it's ready for paint. You know, I mean, anybody could drive it like this, but I think it needs to be painted.
I mean, it looks cool like this.
It does look pretty cool like this. And it's got a lot of aftermarket stuff on it, so we can't really rate it the way we rate like a brand new, not brand new, but the way we rate the other.
Naked trucks.
I wouldn't say naked.
Yeah, well, compared to this, they're naked. You can agree.
I will never. But this truck in particular, it's like apples and oranges, I guess. But just looking at it, walking around it, it's got no rust. It's painted everywhere. It's got a lot of cool aftermarket stuff. I mean, it's painted everywhere. I'm not gonna agree with you. Yeah, I mean, it's a 25-year-old truck.
Yeah.
You're gonna have dents and scrapes on a 25-year-old truck.
Yeah. Sure, yeah.
Open that door.
Open it.
So it's got 30,000 kilometers. It needs a seat, but the seats are, like you said, we could wrap it. And then this is,
You can paint this with spray paint.
yeah. Oh, that's the last oil change. So again, it's got 30,000 kilometers. Not 130,000 kilometers, because there would have been a 1 here. So it's got 30,000 kilometers. Yep. So one of the ninjas, they did their cleaning on it. So it's pretty clean on the inside, clean on the outside.
I noticed the tires look very nice.
Yeah, and then one of the other ninjas made sure that it was drivable and everything was good to go. They checked all the belts and fluids and everything. There's no issues in it at all. The tires look pretty brand new too. Tires are pretty good. What?
So what would we do without our ninjas?
We wouldn't be here, that's for sure. All right, so once we, I thought you turned the AC off.
I did turn the AC off. This is the AC button. I turned off the Frosty AC.
Wow, okay, great. So, what's that? Service records? Oh, got bolts flying out. What are these things for?
Top secret stuff.
Honda Primo. What's that about? Oh yeah, this is a service record book.
Nice.
This is the inspections and the... Oh yeah, it comes with everything, man. This is dope. This is cool.
Ours didn't come with one?
No. I wasn't very smart when I bought that first truck. I didn't really know what I was doing. Oh, it comes with everything. Okay. All right. That's dope.
Now you get to put it back. Yeah.
Well, that's your job.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if we're able to send these wheels with the truck. I just shipped one of these to Maryland. I forget to who, without looking at my messages. And that thing, just to send that, was a couple $100. So I don't know. No, it was like 120 or 130 or something like that. And these are just stock wheels. Yeah, stock 12s or 13s or whatever they are. This mat looks nice. Oh, this is a carpet. I guess it'll work. I guess. It's not this. The light doesn't work? Good catch, Minny.
Gee, thanks.
Always count on you for the negativity. Cool. Well, I gotta run my numbers, put everything together. This truck, we bought it from auction, from Yahoo Auctions, and it took almost 2 weeks to get here because it was so far away. So now that we have it, I'm gonna run all my numbers, figure out what we have into it, and yeah, we'll post it up. I got a couple people that are pretty interested. If they don't want it, I'm gonna release it to the Shark Tank. All right, let's get all that stuff in the trunk. Oh, turn the lights off, roll the windows up. Kill it. Oh, wait, let me hear the... Never mind.
I can turn it back on.
Never mind, it's gonna be stock exhaust. You wanna rev it up, don't you? Rev it up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. One more time. Get out of there.
Sure? One more time?
Get out of there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cool. So this is it, boys. Let me run the numbers and make the post, edit the video, post it to and girls. Brother. And post it to YouTube. All right. We're out.